In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly access and review your travel itinerary on Expedia. Whether you're a frequent traveler or planning your next big adventure, knowing how to quickly check your trip details can save you time and make your travels more enjoyable. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Expedia's main website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Expedia's URL or search for Expedia using your favorite search engine. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the homepage, which is your gateway to everything Expedia has to offer, from flights to hotels and, of course, your trip details. Next, you'll need to locate the Trips section. Usually, you'll find this tab at the top of the page, often alongside other options like flights, hotels, and car rentals. Clicking on Trips will take you to a page where you can manage your bookings. This section is dedicated to keeping all your travel plans organized in one place, making it easier for you to access details like flight times, hotel check-ins, and more. Once you're in the Trips section, you should see a list of all your current reservations. If you have multiple bookings, each one will be detailed separately, allowing you to manage them individually. From here, select the specific trip you want to check by clicking on it. This action will bring up all the pertinent information associated with that booking, presented neatly in an itinerary format. You'll be able to view everything from flight numbers to hotel addresses, so you'll have all the information you need at your fingertips. The itinerary view is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your trip, ensuring nothing is left to chance. This detailed snapshot can prove invaluable when plans change suddenly or if you need to provide your itinerary to someone else. Plus, having easy access on your smartphone or tablet means you can check your plans on the go without needing to sift through emails or papers. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your upcoming travel itinerary on Expedia. Knowing how to navigate and access this information is a crucial part of efficient travel planning. By following these steps, you can breeze through your travel plans with confidence and ease. Whether you're jetting off for business or pleasure, being able to quickly check your itinerary helps ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Thanks for watching and happy travels.